From a can containing 30 liters of pure liquid, 10% is removed and replaced with water. Then 20% is removed and replaced with water. And then 30% is removed and replaced with water. What is the percentage of water left in the solution? Right? So let's try and solve this problem. You are saying that it has got a 30 liters of pure milk available. Now from this 30 liters, what am I doing? I'm removing 10% and adding 10% of water. Adding 10% of water. This is percentage removal. Post this, I'm again removing 20% and then adding 20% of water to this. Same way, again I'm removing 30% and adding 30% of water to this. 30% of water to this. Finally, in this, what is the percentage of water left in the solution? So we are having pure milk over here and you are removing 10% and adding water. So water is going to then keep changing because of the removal as well as addition. So I'm going to not consider water and will be considering milk. So I'm starting with 30 liters of pure milk and 10% is removed. So the leftover quantity will be 0.9 of 30. Adding 10% of water will not change the quantity of milk. So at this level, this will be the quantity of milk. From here, again, 20% is removed. That means the leftover quantity will be 0.8. Leftover quantity will be 0.8. Adding water will not change the quantity of milk. So at this level, this will be the quantity of milk. Remove 30% from here. So the leftover quantity will be 0.7 of this particular value. Adding water does not change the quantity of milk. So at this level, what will be the quantity of milk? The quantity of milk will be this. Now, if I wish to calculate the milk percentage, post that, I will subtract that from 100 to get the percentage of water left in the solution. So milk percentage will be divide this value by 30 and multiply this value by 100. So that's going to give me the milk percentage. Okay. So this 30% will get knocked off and this 00 removes a couple of decimals from here. So 56 into 0.9 is what we are left with. So 96 54, 95 of 45, so 50.4% is the percentage of milk. So water will be 49.6%. Remember, do not mark 50.4 as the answer because what they've asked you is the percentage of water left in the solution. Percentage of water left in the solution will be 49.6.